In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot price comparison on 1688 2025 step by step. If you're trying to pick the best supplier on 1688, a clear set of screenshots makes your decision faster and easier to share with teammates or clients. We'll walk through finding comparable listings, capturing the right details, and presenting them side by side so the difference in price and minimum order quantity is obvious at a glance. Start by launching the 1688 app and signing in to your account. Being logged in ensures you see accurate pricing and supplier information, and it keeps your browsing smooth as you switch between listings. Next, search for the same product using keywords or image search. Keywords are great when you know the exact name or model, and image search is helpful if you have a reference photo. From your results, open 2 to 3 listings that are genuinely similar. Before you proceed, confirm each one clearly shows the product image, the supplier name, the unit price in yuan, and the MOQ or minimum order quantity. Having these details visible for each listing is essential for a fair apples to apples comparison. Open the first listing and scroll until the price and MOQ are clearly visible. Ideally, you want the supplier name and price to appear on the same screen as well. If needed, zoom out slightly so these key details fit together without cutting anything off. This consistency will make your screenshots easier to compare later. Now take your screenshots. On most Android devices, press power and volume down together. On iPhone, press the side button and volume up. Capture one clean screenshot per supplier and double check that the price, supplier name, and MOQ are all legible. Repeat the same process for your other listings, keeping the framing as consistent as possible. For the clearest comparison, consider showing them side by side. On Android, you can use split screen, open recent apps, choose split screen, place two 1688 listings next to each other, and take a single screenshot that shows both prices and MOQs. If your device doesn't support split screen or you prefer more control over layout, create a collage instead. Open your gallery or photos app and use the collage tool, or use a design app like Canva. Arrange your screenshots side by side and add simple labels such as supplier A, Y is das weiß, and supplier B, Y is so it's instantly clear who is who and what they charge. That's it. With neat, consistent screenshots, you'll have a reliable visual comparison that makes choosing the best deal on 1688 straightforward.